Alright, you guys, I made it into Homegoods. So we have Original Princess, Under the Sea. That one's $29.99. Oh, look at the lemon. These are $7. Well, yeah, you only get 2 in here. $7. And maybe like measuring. Is this measuring? It says measuring cups on it. That's 10. Oh, really interesting. Maybe left over from Halloween. I don't know. $4. Normally, I only find decor like that around Halloween. We have pink, like a polka dot, the gold one. I'm hoping we find some goodies. I came to a whole new like location, like 2 hours away. Oh, they have the apple. They always have a lot of bling and those little tiny cake domes, the little cupcake, strawberry chocolate if you want to be fancy. Like a little mushroom one. Plenty of Stitch and Disney, and that is $5. That's $13. Winnie the Pooh balancing on that honey and more Disney. Oh, is that a Snoopy one? Yeah, and that one's $5. Beauty and Beast, love you more. Okay, we've seen these. Sweethearts. Oh, the conversation one's kind of cute because you get 2 in there. Beauty and then happy birthday. Happy birthday. Game day. Oh, there's a little football on that. It's funny. Not Today Cupid, and they have Pixie Magic. Oh, look, there's only 1 in the back, and that's $5. I want the deep dish. That's $10. That's pretty deep. Oh my gosh, I've never seen a Powerpuff Girl bowl with the noodles. That is kind of cool. And we have Snoopy in the back. These are 10. You know what? I was hoping to find maybe some Easter, because at the at-home store they have Easter. Oh my gosh, look at his fur. It's funny. Yeah. Let me walk over here. Okay, more love letters. Kisses XOXO. Oh, that's cool. We haven't seen that. Oh, that's ruined. Here's one. These are 15. Okay, these are 15. These are kind of cool. Those are really cool. Let me see. There we go. And 20. It's like a geometric horse. I've never seen that. Whoa, look at that guy. He's $300. Okay, she is cool looking. Haven't seen her yet at the bottom in the green. She is 100. And 130 also comes in gold. Look at them.
It's like that obstacle ninja warrior, that gold.
$29.99. That will be a clock, and on top you get 3 jewelry holder. These are 15. The flamingo is 13. $175 for these chairs. Look, $1,000. Very similar to like the ones we've seen at Costco. Also have a blue one, 1,300. Can you believe that? I think this might be the most I've seen in Homegoods. And 1,200 is a red tag. Stitch. Oh, look at that cat. He was trying to catch that bird coming out of there. That's funny. That's $59.99. I think these might all be the same. Oh, what's that? All white? Now, how much is that? That is $50. What? No way. Just get putty, you guys. Never pay $50.
That must have been like part of that money laundering art.
200. Interesting. Haven't seen that one. Let's see, $80. You know what's wild? Homegoods normally is filled in with home decor and wall art, but because of the season, I don't know if they put it in the back or what. But it's like you never see Homegoods like without like home decor. I mean, they're filled in. Don't get me wrong, but what I mean is like nothing new. You know, look at tons of long mirrors. Very similar to Sam's Club, 100. I think in Sam's Club it might have been the same price, maybe a little cheaper. Well, that's interesting. 130. There's this one over here with the face. It looks like the vase we see. Look at that. One with butterflies. Those are 40. They have like these little ones too. Okay. Look at that popcorn, hot and fresh. $2.99. That should be $1. It's plastic. 7 for the heart mason. Oh, that's kind of cute, right? The mixing bowl, spatula, and cookie cutters. Let's find out. Looks like, oh, it's only 10 bucks. No way. These are 13 and 20 for a 4-piece. I mean, we could always use mixing bowls. Look, you want to make like cake brownies, heart shape. XOXO. And everything's like a baking cup. Lemonade. I'm just gonna try to go down each aisle without bumping into people. So they have, look at that, 13. Okay, it's a pan. Okay, and their food, we have just tons of stuff, like the dinosaur pastas here. Which I find fascinating. I want some dino pasta. Yeah, Homegoods has tons of truffles. I know. Interesting.
You don't even need a piggy just because of Homegoods.
Olives, cherry, it's a fire. These are 5. Chili lime with a touch of sea salt. Interesting. Oh, what are these little dino eggs? They look like Whoppers. 5.
Black truffle mayonnaise.
Oh, mayonnaise, really? Some garden mushrooms, some bird bath. Little fairy garden for 13. That will be 40. She's 40. $40. Oh, look at the caps. They're 35. And I think that's gonna do it, you guys. They do have like the vintage radio for 25.